My dear brothers and sisters, weak hearted people either get nervous when they see a problem or they immediately jump on to solve that problem. And those who are strong from heart take a little breath and then think what to do next. Lord Hanuman, in search of Mother Sita, after reaching Lanka, stops on a mountain and instead of jumping straight to the city of Lanka to start the search for Mother Sita, considers what would be the best thing to do. He decides to enter Lanka at night and in a much smaller size, so that Mother Sita can be searched without any problem. My dear brothers and sisters, there are some people who have a lot of trouble with dharma. They say that life can be lived even without following any dharma. What is the need to follow any dharma? They say, see, one is dharma and the other is adharma and the third is nothing. If you do not believe in dharma, it simply means that you believe in adharma. See, either choose Lord Ram for dharma or Ravan for adharma. There is no third character in Ramayana. My dear brothers and sisters, the place where people become upset when you go, where there is no love or affection for you in the eyes of people, you should never go to such a place, even if it is raining money. Goswami Tulsidas Ji Maharaj says, आवत ही हर्षे नहीं नैनन नहीं स्नेह तुलसी तहा ना जाइए कंचन बरसे मेह. My dear brothers and sisters, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. When a man is overcome by idleness, all sorts of evil ideas come to his mind, and it becomes the perfect place for the devil to do evil works. When the mind is filled with good ideas, there is no room for evil. Keeping our brain idle becomes the root cause for all evils. So to keep the brain active, always chant the holy name of God. Tulsidas Ji Maharaj says in Hanuman Chalisa, Nase rog hare sab pira, japat nirantar Hanumat Bira. Means all your diseases will go away if you will chant Hanuman Chalisa regularly and with full devotion. My dear brothers and sisters, people who live on the basis of morality not only drown themselves but also drown others along with them. Those who walk on the path of wisdom, they not only elevate themselves but also lift others high. In Mahabharata, Yudhishthir was compelled by his morality to sit in a gambling game. What was the compulsion to put the other four brothers and Panchali Draupadi at stake? Why didn't he leave that game? At the end of the Mahabharata war, Arjun tells Bhim, all the rules of mace war gone to hell. Hit the mace on the wicked Duryodhana's thigh. Break his thigh. That is wisdom. Morality binds you, but wisdom frees you. My dear brothers and sisters, if people go by saying abusive words to you, then it's all your fault. How did anyone dare to talk rudely to you? Surely your face had given them the indication that you were made of clay, and it is very easy to dig up clay soil. See, when Lord Mahavir used to walk on the road, even the most violent animals used to leave his way. My dear brothers and sisters, this life is like an ice cream. Even if you taste it, it will melt, and if you waste it, it will also melt. This life is only for a short period. It is melting. It is in your hands whether to taste it or waste it. My dear brothers and sisters, often seeing injustice being done to someone, we silently walk out the narrow lane thinking that this is not our matter. See, the fruits of karma are both individual and collective. Sometimes we also have to bear the fruits of someone else's actions. Why so? This is because when injustice was being done, we were watching the spectacle in silence. See, it was only Dushasan who tried to disrobe Draupadi, but the entire Kuru dynasty, including Pitama Bhishma and Guru Drona, got the punishment. My dear brothers and sisters, the fear of the mind always prevents us from moving forward. A person who has the fear of losing in his mind, he can never work to his full potential. His mind will always make him feel weak. There is a fear in the mind of the deer that it will not be able to win over the tiger, and because of this fear, it stops again and again and looks back. The fear of the deer's mind slows down its speed, and the tiger hunts it down. My dear brothers and sisters, hospital, prison, and cremation ground, these three places give you the three biggest lessons of life. Seeing the patients in the hospital, know that nothing is more important than health. Seeing the prisoners in the prison, know that nothing is more important than freedom. Seeing the dead bodies in the cremation ground, know that nothing is more important than love. My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna.